How to change name in Facebook. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Facebook, whether you've just married, changed your name, or simply want a fresh start. I'll walk you through the quick and easy process, so let's get into it. First things first, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to www.facebook.com in your web browser. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and go to settings. From here, what we need to go is see more in account center. Simply tap on it. Now in account center, simply tap on your profiles and here choose your Facebook account where you want to change your name to. Now simply click on name and here you can see your first, middle and last name. You can simply change your name, which is first, middle or last. You can choose to change whichever you want. Let's say for this tutorial, I want to change my first name. Simply change it and click on next and simply tap on review change. You can choose and preview your new name. You can simply tap on save and you can just go back and check whether your new name has taken effect or not. And that's it. That's how you can simply change your name on Facebook.